afternoon, good evening, guys, and welcome to another video of the Diving Trader. My name is Daniel, and today, guys, we're doing an update. I'm going to do a video for the week, preparing ourselves for the week to see how the week's going to go. We don't know how the week's going to go. We don't know if it's going to continue going red or it's going to go green. We did finish off Friday slightly up than what we expected, though the week was in general quite red, so we need to be prepared. So this is the reason why I'm making this video. I'm going to give you an outlook on the three stocks that I'm going to be geared up on, cash up on, in case that the prices drop. Okay, so I don't expect too much of a price drop, to be honest with you. I'm actually hoping and I'm thinking that it's going to be a little bit green. If it's green, we have a green week, good, all the better. And if we have a red, these bloody days again, well, it's not a problem. Well, this is why I want to take advantage to manage to buy into three of these stocks. So these three stocks I'm going to mention are in no particular order, no particular preference. They're three good stocks in my point of view, three solid stocks that I have for the long term. So let's go into it. Let's have a look at the first one. So the first one, guys, is Dynamer. Okay, Dynamer is a company, is a biopolymer company in America, and basically what it is makes plastics. It makes plastics, but it makes a plastic that's biodegradable. Okay, so this is a stock, a company that I am very excited about for the future. So I'm quite heavily stocked up on these guys. If you have a look at the after hours is $50, so it finished at $49.98 on Friday. So yeah, so let's have a look at price. I'm not going to go into details about the company because I've already done a video on Danimer Scientific, so I'll leave that in the description so you can go and have a look at that. But this is a company, really, from my point of view, is a very appealable company to be invested in. Appealable, can you actually say appealable? An attractive company, should we say. So let's have a look at the price there. We're going to look at prices. So this is what it looks like price wise. So here we are. We have the RSI on the bottom. So looking at the price, we have an upward trend. Okay, I actually bought averaged in round about $35. It did go down further. I didn't average in here. I'm sort of regretting that I didn't, but hey, I've still got a good price on this stock. And now we've got an upward trend, and as you can see that we're still on top of the at least the 21 moving average. Okay, that's exponential moving average. So this is what we see. This is how this stock reacts. So it's always on top. It bounces and it comes back and it goes on top again. But having said that, we've got a support level, a resistance level, sorry, rather, here, and it looks like it's broken. Okay, I say it looks like it's broken. We really need to see how it opens up on Monday. But I think we could actually be, and I may be wrong again, we could be actually for going up even further. Okay, so it would be good if it does. If it doesn't, and we actually see a retracement, meaning it will come back down, we could see these levels, and again we have to look at the RSI to see that it's not overbought. If it crosses this line, then it would see people selling and the price will come down again, and that's when we're taking advantage. So having a look at it, this is quite a critical level here at the moment, so this will really decide whether to buy in more or not. Okay, but it's still looking quite exciting, this stock. So the second one is Skillz, again one of my favorite companies, stocks. I actually haven't done a video review on them before, actually, to be honest with you. This is probably one of the three on here that I haven't done a review on, but it's a company that I do really like. I have added in, I did add in a couple of weeks ago when the price went down, and we've had another drop on Friday due to a stock offering, so I actually sent the stock price go down around about 11% on that day. So it'll be interesting to see what happens on Monday rather, tomorrow, to see how the price drops. So at the moment here we're on, we actually touched on the 19th, which is on Friday. We did actually touch support levels here, so we could have we'll have to see how this reacts. Okay, so I would imagine it's going up. We've actually crossed the 21 exponential moving average. Okay, And so yeah, so we need to keep an eye on this one to see. We do have quite a lot of volume here as well on Friday. So so let's have a look. Let's see how it finishes, how it starts on Monday. If the price drops, I'll be more than happy to get myself in there. But judging by the chart, it's on an upward trend. Okay, but we'll have to keep an eye on that anyway. So the third one is one of my favorite EV stocks is NIO. There has been news coming today, just not so long ago in fact. So NIO signs pact with infrastructure firm for battery swap stations in Beijing. So this will be interesting to see how the market opens up on Monday. Whether this is actually a catalyst, will it set the stock going up, or whether it's setting it go down. So it's yeah, it's quite a difficult one to see. NIO reacting to news doesn't react too well, so catalysts normally don't seem to react, but there are a lot of people that like to swing trade on NIO, and that's quite for obvious reasons. If we start to have a look at the graph for NIO, then we can see sort of the price. How, if you have a look here, when we're sort of on a downtrend, it always likes to sit below all the moving averages. Okay, mainly. Okay, so here we have the 21-day, which is the blue one, exponential moving average. Okay, so if you hit, boom, comes back down again, stays below, stays below, stays below, and it's not until we have a crossover and then it sits on top. Okay, so this is where you need to start to look at support and resistance lines, because it gives you an idea of how it wants to bounce off these moving averages. So it's quite difficult at the moment to tell, but I would like to think that if it hits below $40, I will be buying more. I don't think we'll see the prices down here like we saw a couple of weeks ago, which was absolutely amazing prices I got in here. I would imagine we get below 40, but not much more. Not much more below 40, and then if we look at the RSI, we're dead in the middle, so it's neither oversold nor it's overbought. So having said that, it looks like it's starting to go down, so we'll see how it reacts. But anyway, those are the three companies that I will be looking at this week carefully to see how the price reacts, and again, if prices drop, I will be adding more into those three stocks. So guys, that's my update on what I'll be buying this week. I'll also be having a look at a fourth stock which I haven't mentioned in this video, and I probably won't mention it because I'm probably going to do a review on it during the week, and that is on a semiconductor company. Okay, those of you follow my channel know that I bought into an ETF, a semiconductor ETF company, and I've been looking for undervalued companies, and there are quite a few semiconductor companies that I consider, have a look at them, are undervalued, and I'm considering buying into one of those stocks. Okay, so stay tuned for that video. I might bring this out during the week. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give that big thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. That really helps my channel grow. Guys, thank you for watching, and speak to you soon. Bye now.